Hi everyone, thanks so much for joining me. This is Melissa at Melissa's Paper Place. So as you can see here, I have our May hip kit, and what I do when I get it is I just write May and the year. That way later when I want to dig into it, I know when it's from. And of course, sorry about the noise, but as usual, try to tear as little of that tissue paper as possible so I can use it again later. Wow, this is pretty. I love that light pink they have going on. Okay, so first let's go through the papers. These are all from the main kit, and they're 12 by 12s. So, by American Crafts, we have this green pattern paper with like diamond shapes and then some rectangle shapes beneath that. Cute, cute, cute sunglasses. All the different types of patterns on them. It's from Wild Heart. This is also from Wild Heart. And got some marks going this way and that way. Lots of nice colors. This is like a mixed media page. It's already been done for you. Some yellow and light pink and dark pink. This is really pretty. This is from Pink Fresh. Leaves and flowers. Some swirly patterns with like, I don't know, heel-like things. Super cute. Use that for background. This is beautiful. It looks like bubblegum colors. It's called Rainbow Sherbet from the Hip Kit. Designed by Kimberly Hutchins. Oh my gosh, I love this. Purple is my favorite color, so I'm going to make sure a lot of this shows. I love that. Very summery. Nice, almost neutral background. Kind of an off-white with little black marks through it with the lines. This is from Pink Fresh. It's called Blaz. Very nice light blue grid. It's an aqua with the stripes going diagonal, and it has like it's faded in on the sides like paint, and this would explain it. Look at that beautiful watercolor on this side. This is Heidi Swap. It's called Pineapple Crush. Beautiful black and white with all this wonderful summer themed scripts. Dream, sunshine, good vibes. It's like watercolor polka dots in a teal pineapple crush from Heidi Swap. This looks like brush strokes on white paper of black stripes. Super great background. Some pretty palm leaves. I think they're palm. This is from Heidi Swap Pineapple Crush as well. Oh, look at all those cute birds. And lots of rainbows. Super cute. Kind of pastel light colors. That was from American Crafts. Sunshine and Good Vibes. Oh, and Amy Tangerine on that one, sorry. This is, it almost looks like it's been through a stencil. It's super cute. I love the bright pink, and then it kind of fades a little bit on the edges. It has a background color that you can see breaking through, a light pink, which is this color. And this is also from Heidi Swap Pineapple Crush. The ombre pink color going through that. And then we have our wonderful thickers from American Crafts called Charming. Those are cute, outlined with black and white. This is from American Crafts thickers with some sayings and some leaves with gold glitter on it, like maybe a rose gold. Anyways, yeah, so these are okay. They do have a little bit of the glitter coming off the letters, so that, you know, I don't really like it to be on my background. Anyways, this is cute. It's by American Crafts. Lots of, it's called Texture Stickers, and it's like mixed media. So, you know, if you don't want to take the time, or you just want to add a little bit here and there, this is a really good idea. Okay, so we have these beautiful die cuts from Amy Tangerine, and they're really interesting because they're clear. A lot of them are clear, it looks like. I'll show you guys what's in here. Ooh, boy, very foiled. You guys picking up on that? Cactus. Nice sizes. I like that. The best. See, they're clear. Some shoes. A sewing machine. It must be for a crafty page of crafts. Somebody doing crafts. A bird. That's cute. You're beautiful. Butterfly. So they're clear, and they also have like some gold reflection and silver in there, so a little bit of, I don't know, foiling inside or something. That's pretty. And this one says fun in gold, and some heart sunglasses with gold foiling inside. Super cute. Again, these are from Amy Tan, and here they say there's 33. There is 33 die cuts in here, die cut shapes. Cute. I'll just kind of lay them out so you guys can see them. Oh, that's neat. Make lemonade. Quite a variety. There's shells and flowers, fruit, coffee. Some tags and suitcases. There's more than one of those. Journaling cards. Butterflies. Cute. Yeah, I definitely think that all of these are going to get used. The love list. That's cute. I will put those back in a minute. And then there are these really cute standout autocollectant dimensionals. I'm trying to think. It's like a badge. That's what I was thinking. Yeah. So this is Crepe Paper's Wild Heart. And you can see they're three-dimensional, super cute. Got gold foiling on them. So that'll make for a fun page. Anyways, just wanted to share this month's hip kit with you guys, the main kit. And thanks for joining me.